Okay, the last of our 6 featured oils in the forgiveness kit is Valor 2. Depending on when you watch this, today's date is, let me think about this, May 8th, 2018. This may no longer be in the kit by the time you come across this video, but right now it is the current version of Valor that is in the kit. And the reason I share that is because of this. Several years ago, there was a shortage of some different single oils that went into the original formulation of Valor. So Gary Young handpicked this new formulation of Valor 2 to stay true to the original constituents in Valor 1. Okay, it includes 2 amazing high frequency oils, being Northern Lights Black Spruce and Idaho Blue Spruce. And right now that is what is in the kit. But if you were trying to find this oil by itself on the website, it is no longer in stock. So when Young Living finishes selling all the kits that have Valor 2 in it, they will more than likely replace the Feelings Kit Valor 2 with regular Valor, which is what the kit featured when I first became a member. But again, going back to about a year after that, so 2015, when there was the shortage of Valor, they put this one in the kit. I was ready to say grandfathered, but that was the wrong word. So maybe in a couple months, we'll probably see the Valor 1 back. And it's not called Valor 1, it's just the original, okay? The true original. So that's the side note, but I do want to make sure that people understand that, 3 years later, if they come across the video on YouTube, that we may not have the 2 in the kit, and that is why, because they will be putting back Valor as time allows. Okay, so Valor 2 is used for inspiration and calming, and it can be applied topically. It can be used in your diffuser. It gives you empowering, uplifting feelings of confidence. What does Valor mean? Valor is a big word used in the military. It means courage, strength, right? And it gives you just that. So if you're feeling nervous going into a situation, if you feel nervous about dealing with the emotions and all the crazy things of your past as you're digging into feelings and healing yourself of past hurts and so forth, Valor or Valor 2 is a great oil. One of my most favorite places to apply it is at the back of the neck, at the base of the head, and to also put in your hands, spin it like I've demoed today, cup it over and breathe in deeply, several deep breaths just to help get deep into the limbic system and give you great emotional support and grounding. Diffuse it for an inspiring and calming aroma that will empower you, uplift you, make your family happier, and create just an overall calming and feeling environment of courage. I know for my boys, before big testing days or before big tournaments and that kind of thing, I'll grab my Valor or Valor 2 and put in the diffuser, and I've got about 5 or 6 diffusers through the house, and I'll probably put in 2 or 3 of them, simply to just create that good environment of being grounded and not having crazy nervous emotions going into whatever it is that they're going into. And my diffuser behind me right now, I do have this diffusing. It's great. It's awesome. Hope you enjoy it.